Today, we explore the App Store using an iPhone 5s.
If you've ever wanted to get yourself into videography, you've probably heard that you need a manual camera. And one of the best cameras is FiLMiC Pro. In this video, you're gonna get it for free for your iPhone 5s. A couple days ago, FiLMiC Pro switched to an in-app model. So you download the app for free and then you pay inside of the app for the upgrade to unlock it. Unfortunately, the old version used to be paid. So if you buy this new free version, your iPhone 5s will be getting the paid version for free. If I open it up on my iPhone SE, it tells me like, oh, go and unlock this in-app purchase. But on my iPhone 5s, it just works. Like you just open it and it just works. So if you've ever wanted to get started on videography, if you've ever wanted to learn how this works, if you ever wanted to learn about ISO, shutter, any of that stuff, this is the best way to do it aside from using other apps like Adobe Premiere Rush, but it will give you access to FiLMiC Pro. You don't get access to histograms or log shooting, so that's kind of a bummer, but everything else, guides, frame rates, image stabilization, all of these are enabled in the FiLMiC Pro app on your iPhone 5s, and you can use it as a second or third cam for whatever thing you're shooting. You can get a variable neutral density filter, stick it on it, and have an amazing device to capture footage.